we've started from this place down to this side. So as you can see, this place, this is where the mystery lies. So hello guys, good morning and welcome to another brand new video on the lights bar collection. So what we'll be doing today is this mystery braid. As you can see, I have two I've already made here. This is the mystery braid. As you can see, it looks impossible because it has no cutting or sewing at the end side, while at the other side it has no cutting and sewing as well. So people seem to think, or it's a misery, that how do you do something like this without sewing, without ending? But that's the reason why I'm making this video, to just show you how you can make this. And this is used for a lot of things. You can use this for a wristwatch strap, your belt strap, even your handbag strap, or maybe a decorative on your bag. So it's of two types. I have another one here I made as a bracelet. It has a magnetic snap here at the end here. So, and these are the material I will be needing. I need my scissors to cut, I need my pen to make the way I rule this, I need my metal rule, I need my cutting knife. This is my cutting knife. I need my puncher to punch the hole. As you can see, this is focus. As you can see, I need my punch, then I need my hammer to hit the punch. So that's that. So guys, before we proceed to making of it, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like, leave a comment, share with your friends. So that is that. So the first thing you do after you have your material, just like this one here, I'm using this waist or pieces material. You have to cut it this way. This is 1 inch, or anyhow you want to do. If it's 2 inch or maybe quarter a inch, so you make sure you divide it into 3. What I do in this place is I measure this is 2 centimeter, this is 1.5 centimeter. As you can see it clearly, this is 1.5 centimeter for this place. I did the same thing to the ending as well, so that it will, that's from where you start cutting, just like on this place. So I make these rules and I measure this. So I will use my cutting knife now to cut this place. You cut it slowly, so before we start braiding. So without no further ado, let's proceed to making it. I'll make these two, and the braiding, I will show you how everything is being done, the secret behind it. So stay tuned, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching guys. What I will do is I will punch one of these and the other one I will not punch it, so that for you to understand it better. So let me punch this so that you see the way we use the punch to punch. I will make it open. Then punch the second side as well. So there you have it. As you can see, the hole is there already. As you can see, that's the hole there. You can see it clearly from this side. So I punch one, I didn't punch the second one. We'll just leave the second one like this, so that it will look like the first one I show you, which is this particular one here. One will look like this and the other one is going to have this. So without no further ado, let's proceed. So the next thing you want to do is you open your cutting knife. Make sure you change your knife. Your knife should be sharp each and every time you want to make a cutting like this. Then you place your material this way, then you put the melter rule on it to where you rule your pen. It's not much that you must cut once, but you have to cut multiple times so that you get your cutting out the way you want it to be. So we'll do that. See, this is it. I finished cutting it. So let me cut the second one right away. So we shall. So one thing you must learn how to do is, when you are cutting, make sure when you place the ruler on it, I apply pressure to the ruler so that it will not shake, because when the ruler shake from the line you want to cut, after you finish cutting, you won't have a perfect line, so it may not allow the braiding to lap the way this lap. So we are trying to do something like this. So as you can see, I finished cutting the bolt tube, so we shall proceed to the next step now of the braiding. So as you can see guys, we've started from this place down to this side. So as you can see, this place, this is where the mystery lies. So I'm going to show you how to do this now. So let's just continue from where we stop. So you bring this back here, which is 1. You bring this in as well, just like the way you plait air. 2. You bring this back in. 3. You bring this back in. 4. Then this back in, making 5. Then you hold it down like this. Then you come back to this place. You make sure you look for a space for you to be able to open this. You just have to hold this side where we've braid. Then you try as much as possible to turn this without affecting the side you've done before. It's a little bit difficult, but you just have to look for a way to turn it. I want to do this on camera so that you guys can see what we are trying to do, so that if I didn't show you how to do this, I don't see the use of this video. But remember, if it's not complete, you won't get what you need. So it's not complete, you still do it one more. So as you can see, here we have it here. This is it. So since I want to leave it like, because if I want to add more, it will not give me what I really want. So instead, I will just turn this back and do it this way to give the rest of what I've done gap, so that it will look nice. It won't look as if one side is very slip, very what would I say, very free, and the other side is very tight. So you bring it down a little bit, you remove all the gaps so that it will be free from right to left. This is what I'm trying to do now. So and here we have it. Here we have it, our mystery braid. As you can see, this is the two ending. One will be at the top, one will be at the bottom, and this is it here. So I hope you guys understand the way I did this. But for more understanding, it's not focusing because it's not picking on center. For more understanding, let's do the second one. So here's the second one. This one is more shorter. For you to understand, you need to understand something. It doesn't matter how you want to start. If this is at the top when you want to start, just like this, the other side will be at the bottom. But if this is at the bottom, the other side will be at the top. So let's do this. You see, you come 1, you make sure you balance it well. You come 2, right? You come 3, you come, you do this 4, 5, then 6. We just make 6. So there's no room for us to make more, so instead we turn this. You see the way I want to turn now, you take this inside this way, you bring it out, you turn it, So after you turn it, it will be straight by itself. So after you turn it and there's a little bit space for you to braid more, then you continue, because it will not turn fully. It won't give you what you really want, because you've not get to the point where you can free everything. So as you can see, here you have it without any stress. You see, without any stretch from the beginning to the end. So what I did in the first one that I'm supposed to do here is, the way it is like this, there's a space here while this other side is tight. So I will start giving space so that I can free the other part I did first. So you do it this way, you make sure you free everything. And here we have it, our mystery braid. Here we have it. And this is what I say at the beginning, that if you start, if the one at the bottom, this one at the middle, if it's at the bottom at one end where you start, focus, if it's at the end where you start, just like the way this is, it's going to be at the top at the beginning at the other side. So this is at the bottom while the other side is at the top of it. So I hope you guys understand the way I did this second one. If you don't even understand the first one, you see the way I did the second one. You count it, you go, then you turn, you count, you go, you turn. But yeah, there's no specific way of counting you can count. It's just for you to just do it. When you do it, it's the turning that is the mystery there, the turning, the end of it. So this is it for you guys. I hope you understand this. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you enjoyed, please try to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment on what you think we should do next. But now don't worry, I have a video coming next on a bag I'm making, but I just decided to do this. So here we have it. This is the mystery braid. As you can see, look the way it looks nice on my arm, very beautiful. So this is the thing we make. We make the first one and we make the second one. This is the sample I made from my previous I've been making this for so long. This is the one I made previously, and I used this. I show you the sample, how you can measure, how you cut. Then we make this and we make the longer one again. So even the way it is, like, you can use it to make a bag strap, the handle, whether the one you use in carrying it or the backpack, you can use it to make any, or even business or office bag. Use this to decorate any of your belts, your wristwatch strap. So that's it for this video, guys. So make sure to like this video, leave a comment on what you think. If you understand or if you need more explanation, I can even do a 3D to like explain this further for you. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and we shall see you at the other side of this video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.